Welcome to 370 Harbor Shores Drive in Jackson, Georgia, where luxury meets lakeside living. Set on a private 1.78-acre lot in the Harbor Shores community, this beautiful home offers the perfect blend of space, comfort, and resort-style living. This exceptional four-bedroom home is definitely one to watch. With spacious interiors, impressive features, and private community amenities, there's a lot to love here. Let's start in the kitchen. You'll find premium soft-close shaker cabinetry, elegant solid surface counters, a sprawling island, double ovens, and a walk-in pantry. It's designed beautifully for both everyday cooking and entertaining. Moving into the family room, the vaulted ceiling, towering windows, and warm fireplace create an impressive space filled with comfort and natural character. It's the perfect place to relax or gather with family and friends. And the resort-style community amenities make this home even more special. Enjoy access to a private boat dock, pavilion, and pickleball courts, bringing lakeside leisure right into your lifestyle. Here are the numbers: $575,000 with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and approximately 3,833 square feet of living space, all situated on a private 1.78-acre lot. The main level offers convenient living with a luxurious primary suite featuring soaring vaulted ceilings plus a spacious guest suite. Upstairs, you'll find 2 more generous bedrooms, walk-in closets, a full bathroom, and a massive bonus room. If you've been looking for a spacious luxury home in Jackson with a private lot, impressive interior features, and access to lake community amenities, this is an opportunity you won't want to overlook. And there's even more reason to take a closer look. This reduced price is available for a limited time with closing required before August 31st, 2026. Schedule your private showing today. Again, I'm Palmer with Palmer Realty Solutions. I look forward to helping you find the right home.